Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, tachometer, brake assist, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.